Hello YouTube, this is Cyber Aquarius. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the mechanical filtration of a wet dry filter. I have an eShops Wet Dry 300, but this upgrade can apply to any type of wet dry filter with a drip tray. It'll help prolong the life of your main filtration pad, provide for better gas exchange, and also reduce splash noise. You'll need some materials to complete this project, and the first thing you'll need will be a panel of light diffuser, or egg crating as is commonly known in our hobby. This can be picked up at any hardware store in a 4 foot by 2 foot sheet for less than $15. You'll need a pair of dikes or wire cutters to cut the pieces that you'll need out of the panel, some P-ties or zip ties, some bonded filter floss or any type of filter floss that you can cut down to size, and a pair of scissors. I'm going to go ahead and assemble these pieces. What I've done is I've cut out a 9 by 12 bottom panel, 2 8 by 1 side panels, and 2 12 by 1 side panels. You can make this template any size that you want as long as it fits in your drip tray and the lid will fit on top of it. But this is the best size that I found. Works perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it and show you what it looks like and how to use it. Okay, this is what the finished product should look like. We'll dub this the floss box. So the floss box is held together with the zip ties. I've got two on each panel connected to the bottom, and then in the corners I have a zip tie in each corner. Total of 12 zip ties. So if you wanted to, you could cut this down to the size of a Marineland Emperor filter cartridge and place it in here. You'd have mechanical and chemical filtration, but I don't need that. I'm just upgrading my mechanical filtration. I'm using Purigen and I have a carbon reactor, so I just need to place my filter floss in here. And I've cut my filter floss out of the large pad, cut it down to size, and I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the floss box. Let me set the camera down. Go ahead and place this in here. And this will be changed out more frequently than the main wet dry filter, the mechanical filter for the wet dry, and it's a lot cheaper too. Okay. Well, originally I just placed the filter floss on top of the other mechanical filtration pad, and it worked good for a little while, but it didn't last that long because it kept wanting to, the particles kept wanting to run off the sides. Even when I cut it down to a large piece, it just wasn't working effectively. But with this, the water has a chance to flow through the bottom and through the sides. It's elevated. It holds debris a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this in my sump and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, I now have the floss boxes installed in each drip tray, and it has quietened down the splash tremendously. It's a lot quieter than it used to be, and like I said, it provides for better gas exchange. The seals all around the 3 other corners have been broken, allowing for better gas exchange. The lid is still below the rim of the sump, so if the filter pad gets clogged up, the water that comes out at the top still won't run over the sides. It's still contained within the sump. I'll give you a quick shot of it. Okay, there's the main inflow is going through the floss in the floss box, and then it hits the secondary filtration pad. Prolongs the life of it. It's a much more expensive pad, so it helps that there. And like I said, I've tried other methods, just placing the floss directly on the primary floss, and it just didn't work that well. It didn't last long. And this is the best method that I found to prolong the life of the main filtration pad, and it's much more cost effective. Quietens it down, provides for better gas exchange, and they're easy to change out. So I hope this helps somebody if you have a wet dry with a drip tray. The light diffuser panel or egg crate is, man, it's real valuable to our hobby. I'm using it in the bottom of my sump, secondary layer to keep the matrix from falling through. I'm using it in the bottom of my aquarium so that my rocks don't slide. It's up underneath the substrate. And I mean, there's just various uses for the light diffuser panel. You can hang LEDs from it, just all sorts of things. Okay, well guys, I appreciate you watching. Oh, one other thing, I've labeled all of my outlets so that now you can see everything's, all the plugs are easily identifiable. Same as on the other side. Got my UV sterilizer there. All those are labeled. So no more guessing, all right, well, you know, this cord goes to this or that. I mean, it's labeled. So just a few upgrades, a few modifications, and it's working well. Filtration system's working well. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a good day.